Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me.
Hi guys.
My boyfriend Joel. So I did buy a men's holiday box from Topbox, and I wanted him to open it up. We haven't opened it yet, so let's get to it.
Alright, what's in there?
Okay.
So let's start with this one here.
So usually they send us a little postcard-ish, the men's holiday box, and then a little bit of the product that is inside this box. Okay, so what do you have?
So here, pomade, like a air gel or air style.
Okay,
So let's see
okay.
what's in there, just for fun. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Professional, oh, Sebastian. So it is pomade. What is it? Pomade?
Pomade, yeah.
The dandy.
It's like a hair gel, pretty much. Let me see. Okay, it's got the little thing in there. Yeah, it's like that air gel. Looks like a little bit of like a paste. You guys probably use something similar to it. That's what I use actually. Not the same product, but that's gonna be pretty handy. So it smells pretty good too.
I can close it. I can close it.
Alrighty, what's this one here?
Oh, another hairstyling fiber.
Okay. Maybe this one's for beard. Let's see what's in there. Okay. Kind of a different style here. Similar product. This one's called Sports and Social. So, okay, right on. Johnny's Chop Shop. A barber shop, I guess.
Sounds manly.
And what do we have here? Okay.
Oh, a pain relief. When you go to the gym, when you work out.
This one here, extra strength. It's an anti-inflammatory. So for pain, inflammation, and muscle and joint, I do work out. That comes handy after a workout. Take a good shower, open up your pores, and then use it on your body. But let's see what's in there, just for fun. 6-time active relief, pain rub. So okay.
Oh, there's menthol in this.
We'll test it out and we'll let you know, guys, how it works.
Oh, there's eucalyptus. Eucalyptic.
Eucalyptus.
Yeah.
Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus!
Or lemons.
Oh, so in the same same brand here. This one is Sebastian. The same one as the air gel we show you at first. This one is a shaving cream. I don't think I'll be really using it, but yeah. We'll see. Maybe we can do a review on that later on this one. And what else we have in here? What's this thing here? So this one is gel super hydrating, so super moisture gel. I'm not sure what this one is for. It is a moisturizer.
Oh yeah, super moisture gel.
Is it air gel still, or like something?
No, I think it would be like a moisturizer, like you were saying. Oh yeah, for the skin, hydrates, intensive, and yeah,
Fortified, like skin
for
and tones. Okay.
skin for men.
It is pretty dry in Alberta, so that might just be something I can put in my gym bag, carry with me, you know, on the way home. Just apply a little bit and.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it's a balm. So it's pretty much a lotion, and it has SPF 20.
Okay. So everything comes like everything comes with those little instructions here, how to use it, or like what exactly is the content of the product. Different language here, Arabic, English, Spanish, name it. So,
last one.
black clay peel off. That looks like a mask. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know how you always see me with a mask
Yeah,
on
yeah, yeah.
Friday nights?
Okay.
You can join me on that then.
Okay, so from now on, we're gonna be doing Friday masks, and we'll show you. We have a few more we want to use as well, so maybe we'll show how we do it.
Yeah, and maybe do a review on this.
Right? Okay.
Perfect.
So that was the holiday men's holiday top box.
So this every holiday or some of the holidays, the Topbox, what they do is send me an email stating that they have different boxes, and these are limited edition. This one I got it for $19.95 for all of these products here. And honestly, these products right now are more than $45, I would say.
At least, yeah. You look at the air gel, just this one here, probably around like $12, $15 just with this.
Ooh, I think it's more though. 'Cause,
Yeah, Sebastian.
Yeah.
Like I don't know exactly, but we know at least it's worth the money, right? So.
Oh,
yeah.
for sure. So, and every time they actually send you an email stating that, okay, so if you want this, buy it right away, $19.95, and also again, limited edition. They don't have very much of those, and sometimes they are sold out very quickly. Like they did have the mystery box. I did get one, but I'm not doing a review on that unboxing just because I already did unbox it. I was super curious. But anyway, so the other one was like sold out very fast. So again, for this video, it's not sponsored, it's just something that I want to show you guys. And what I like about this Topbox is that it's a Canadian company. That's why I absolutely support it.
Love.
Thank you for watching.